Hello student, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. Today we are going to solve a problem from progressions exercise 6.4 second problem. Already we have completed introduction to geometric progression and first problem. So this is second problem. See student, what he is asking to find as write three terms of the GP when the first term A and the common ratio R are given. So he has given the first term A value and the common ratio R value. He is asking to find three terms. So A is equal to 4 he has given, R is equal to 3. So see here the first term is denoted by A1. See student, he is asking to find three terms A1, A2 and A3. Three terms we have to find A1, A2, A3. So first term A1 is equal to A1 is A only, that is 4. So second term A2 is equal to, how can we write A2? A into R. A into R. So A value is 4 and R value is 3. 4 into 3 is 12. This is the second term, and the third term is A3. How can we write A3? We can write A2 into R or A into R to the power 2. So A into R to the power 2. So that is A value we have 4 and R value is 3 whole square. So that is 4 into 3 square is 9. 4 into 9 is 36. So therefore the three terms are, what are the three terms? Therefore the three terms are so first term is 4, second term is 12 and the third term is 36. So these are the three terms of a given geometric progression. So here A is equal to 4, R is equal to 3 has given. He is asking to find us the three terms. So student, this is the second problem. Totally there are 4 bits in the second problem. This is the first bit. Next we have to solve the second bit. This is the second bit in the second problem. A is equal to root 5, R is equal to 1 by 5. He is asking to find us the three terms of the geometric progression. So the first term is A only. So see here a solution, how can we find the first term? So the first term is denoted by A1. A1 is equal to A. So A value is how much? Root 5. So this is the first term. And the second term is denoted by A2. So A2 is equal to A into R. A2 is equal to what? A into R. So here A value is root 5 and R value is 1 by 5. So root 5 into 1 by 5. So we can write root 5 divided by 5. Root 5 divided by 5. So root 5 into 1, root 5 divided by 5. So next the third term A3 is equal to A into R square. A into R square. This is the third term. So A value is root 5 into R value is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 whole square. So we can write root 5 into 1 by 5 whole square is 1 by 25. 1 by 25. So it becomes root 5 divided by 25. Root 5 divided by 25. So these are the three terms. So first term is root 5, second term is root 5 divided by 5, third term is root 5 divided by 25. Therefore we can write the three terms are, therefore the three terms are, so first one is root 5, second one is root 5 divided by 5 and the third one is root 5 divided by 25. So these are the 3 terms. So this is the second bit. Next we have to solve the third bit. This is the third bit. He has given a is equal to 81, r is equal to minus 1 by 3. Again we have to write first 3 terms, a1, a2 and a3. So see here, the first term a1 is equal to, the first term a1 is equal to a only, so a value is equal to 81. So this is the first term. So and the second term is a2. a2 can be written as a into r. So a value, we have a value is 81 and r value is minus 1 by 3. So just we have to substitute the values. So here 3 we can cancel, 3 ones and 3 twos and 3 sevens. So 27 into minus 1, 27. How much it is? 27. This is a2. So next third value, third term is a3. So a3 can be written as a into r square. A into r square. So again we have to substitute. A value is 81 and r value is minus 1 by 3 whole square. So a value is 81 and r value is minus 1 by 3 whole square. So just we have to simplify here. Write 81. So minus 1 by 3 whole square, it becomes plus 1 by 9. Plus 1 by 9. So here 9 ones and 9 nines are 81. 9 into 1 is 9. 9 into 1 is 9. Therefore the 3 terms are, therefore the 3 terms are, so what are the 3 terms? So 81 comma minus 27 and 9. So these are the 3 terms of the given geometric progression. So first term a1 equal to 81, second term a2 equal to minus 27, third term a3 equal to 9. So this is a third bit. Next we have to solve the fourth bit. This is fourth bit, student. He has given a is equal to 1 by 64, r is equal to 2. We have to write the 3 terms of the geometric progression. So here the first term is the first term is a1. So a1 is itself a, the value of a has given 1 by 64. So this is the first term, and the second term is denoted by a2. So a2 is equal to a into r. a2 is equal to a into r. So a value is 1 by 64 into r value is 2. So here we can cancel 2 ones and 2 32s. So here we can get 1 by 32. 1 by 32. So and the third term a3 is equal to a into r square. So we have a is 1 by 64. Write 1 by 64 into r square. R value is 2. So write 2 square. So 2 square. So just we have to simplify. Write 1 by 64 as usual. But 2 square is how much? 2 into 2, 4. So 4 ones and 4 16s. So we can get 1 by 16. How much it is? 1 by 16. So here a3 is equal to 1 by 16. Therefore the 3 terms are, therefore the 3 terms is equal to, what are the 3 terms? First term is 1 by 64, second term is 1 by 32, and the third term is 1 by 16, and the third term is 1 by 16. So these are the 3 terms of the given geometric progression. So this is a fourth bit in the second problem. So there are totally 4 bits. All 4 bits we have completed. So this is the second problem in the exercise 6.4. Student, that's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with another problem.